So I'm retasking it right in the app. It's fighting the wind a bit. I just put it in a forced hold.
Ooh-wee.
That was on purpose. Hold it to go up a little bit in altitude. I'm doing it a home command. The GPS accuracy is about 10 meters, 30 feet. It's a much better way to fly this thing, if I'm honest. The battery's holding up well. It started at 90%, it's 34 now. %, battery. Lower the altitude there. I'm going to bring it back towards us. 27% battery. They have a speed limit of about 1.5 meters per second on this, so you can't really go too fast.
If you change the sensitivity, does it go faster?
No. When you're in this autopilot mode, you're very limited in terms of what you're able to do. That's nice, son. It will operate out of Wi-Fi in this autopilot mode, much like a larger UAV will. I'm going to do a flight next with the cameras on, because I think this would be really useful to try out.
Is there a deer joining us?
I don't think there's a deer in there. Picture of the deer.
Are you able to see it?
No, I hear it though. It's not far in there. .24% battery. The battery is really holding up well. This thing is flying fantastic. That's me. There's a pivot option on here to turn. Seems to be a little simpler. I'm gonna try home.
Oops, wrong light.
No, I gave it a new waypoint. So we dropped the altitude a bit. I wish we'd been able to do this when Chrissy was here.
Yeah.
Like this. Coming back towards us now.
How's that battery?
19%, so I'm going to bring it back in. Land now. That was awesome. Finish the recording.